Clindamycin Phosphate Vaginal Cream. Generic name: Clindamycin Phosphate. Dosage form: vaginal cream, usually 2%. Drug class: lincosamide antibiotic. What is Clindamycin Vaginal Cream? Clindamycin Phosphate Vaginal Cream is an antibiotic medicine used to treat bacterial infections of the vagina, especially bacterial vaginosis, BV. It works by stopping the growth of harmful bacteria inside the vagina. Uses: bacterial vaginosis, BV. Vaginal bacterial infections. Abnormal vaginal discharge caused by bacteria. Vaginal odor due to bacterial imbalance. How it works: clindamycin inhibits bacterial protein synthesis, which prevents bacteria from growing and multiplying. This helps restore the normal balance of healthy vaginal bacteria. How to use: usually applied once daily at bedtime. Duration is typically 3 to 7 days, as prescribed. Use the applicator provided to insert the cream into the vagina. Wash hands before and after use. Do not use during menstruation unless advised by a doctor. Common side effects: vaginal itching or irritation, mild burning sensation, vaginal discharge, abdominal cramps, nausea, rare. Serious side effects, rare. Severe diarrhea, bloody stools. Allergic reactions, rash, swelling, breathing difficulty. Precautions: avoid sexual intercourse during treatment. Oil-based cream may weaken latex condoms or diaphragms. Do not use if allergic to clindamycin or lincomycin. Inform your doctor if you have bowel diseases. Use in pregnancy and breastfeeding. Pregnancy, generally considered safe if prescribed by a doctor. Breastfeeding, small amounts may pass into breast milk, consult a doctor. Storage: store at room temperature. Keep away from heat and moisture. Keep out of reach of children. Important advice: complete the full course even if symptoms improve. Do not use for fungal or viral infections. Do not share this medication with others.